and welcome to Research Bites, your daily dose of science news. If you ever had a dog as a pet, it's easy to see just how sensitive they are and how well they respond to us. Domestic dogs have co-evolved with humans for thousands of years and are known to possess social skills that allow them to respond to a specific situation very well. It's not hard to imagine a trained dog fetching a ball. But while pets can be trained to understand us, what about the stray dogs that outnumber the pets in the world? Well, researchers have discovered that these dogs understand our intentions and respond to them accordingly. Dogs were the first animals to be domesticated by us, and they have spent a long time as our companions. This is why exploring the dog-human interaction paradigm is helpful to understand the underlying dynamics of their domestication process. In this study that was published in the journal Frontiers in Ecology and Evolution, the researchers tried to explore how these free-ranging dogs learn both from and about us by analyzing their day-to-day interactions with humans. While our pet dogs follow most cues from us, their caregivers, and understand our intentions because of their dependency and the positive interactions that they have with us, it's not as simple for stray dogs. The interaction between free-ranging dogs and humans are more complex and dynamic. Despite their partial dependency on us, their actions are not controlled by humans. So, they need to understand and decipher human intentions clearly and adapt their behaviors accordingly. The researchers studied 120 random adult dogs. They used different social cues, both friendly ones and those that looked threatening, to understand how these dogs interact with humans who were familiar and unfamiliar to them. They observed that when they approached the dogs with friendly and neutral cues, many responded with friendly gestures like gazes, and they wagged their tails without being afraid. These responses indicated that the strays had built an affiliative relationship with the experimenter after meeting them more often. However, when the researchers used threatening signals, the dogs became afraid and anxious. They hesitated to approach the humans. The findings of the study provide some insights into why dogs are one of the most successful species to share spaces with humans. The key lies in identifying our social cues and responding to them accordingly. Free-ranging dogs are heavily dependent on humans for food. To avoid negative human impact and to maximize their chances of getting food, dogs need to identify reliable humans. In today's world, where there is an increase in dog-human conflicts, with both parties suffering from the actions of the other, studies like this one are eye-openers for those who are ignorant about how smart dogs really are. This study tells us that dogs understand humans much better than humans understand them. Dogs don't respond to our aggression with aggression, but instead, they avoid conflict. Therefore, instead of beating the dog, a simple threatening gesture can be enough to drive them away. This response simply indicates that dogs can be easily befriended, and with a little effort, we can easily avoid conflict with them. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and follow. This podcast was brought to you by Research Matters, a SciComm initiative by Gubi Labs. For more science-based stories, podcasts, and news, log on to our website www.researchmatters.in.